Alright guys, Bill from BillsBoxBreaks.com. We're doing a 3-box eBay break number 5 of Phoenix football. After this, we got Flawless Football and Impeccable, both very close, both going tonight. That's right. Awkward box design. All right, here we go. First one. 3 hits per box here. Some good-looking cards. Tim Brown. Roger Craig. Braxton Miller. Some rookies. Kellen Winslow. And we got J.J. Watt. Eli Manning. Nice Hackenberg. Rookie rising at a 199. Tony Romo. And some more base there. Alex Smith. 2 autos, 1 relic per box on these. Julio Jones. Rising rookie at a 99. DeForest Buckner. Decoy. Base and base. Danny Fouts. Steve Largent. Nice Tom Brady. Streaking success insert. That'll get you a couple bones. Doug Baldwin. Terry Bradshaw. Looking for our first hit, Sean Lee. Allen Robinson, Devontae Freeman out of 349. Lee and Forsett. And we got Mack. Aaron Donald in our first hit. Tyler Boyd for the Bengals. eBay winner taking that one down. Oop. Nice RPA there. And that is going to be 48 out of 249. Like how all the RPAs are 249 or below. Base and base. 2 more hits from this box. Hits are coming late in this one. Peyton Manning. Don Maynard. Watchman, Darrelle Revis. Jordan Payton, Mike Singletary. Clay Matthews. And nice one here, Tom Brady. Tom Brady relic. And that's out of 49, card number 27. Also, lowest serial number gets $5 worth of credit on the eBay break. So we got 27. And we'll do it for hits. That's out of 48. Gronkowski now. $2.99. Decoy again, base and base. Still looking for one more auto here. Got a Philly Sims. Adrenaline Rush, like these. Thurman Thomas. Two left. Danny Woodhead, Watchman, Earl Thomas out of 399. Leaving our last hit for the last pack, it looks like. Of the box, that is. And we have a hit for the Seahawks. RPS Rookie Jumbo Auto Swatch, card number 1. Alex Collins, Seahawks. Nice one there. Wonder what that one's numbered out of. Alright, box 2. Alright, first pack. Allen Robinson. Danian Tomlinson, we're going right off the bat with a hit. For the Bolts, RPS Rookie Auto Jersey. Chargers. Phoenix into that one. And Aaron Donald. Eli Manning. Michael Irvin. Driscoll and Ayers. And going right off the bat, 2 packs, 2 hits. Corey Coleman for the Browns. A nice one out of 79. Derek got his first hit. Derek got his first hit. There you go, Derek. First hit there. Corey Coleman, 79 Browns. Patriots, Curtis Martin. Nice card out of 99, Eli Manning. And Von Miller, Jerry Rice. Sterling Shepard out of 299. Tyrod Taylor. Aaron Donald. Streaking Success. It's a cool looking insert. Jack Ham. Man, if they had some ink on here, get some silver ink across these. Ooh. It'd be nice. Oh, man. Triple auto. So, Bills, we got Frog. I'm sorry, we got Cardell Jones, Michael Thomas, Joey Bosa. Wowzers. And that's out of 20. Very nice. Von Miller. Watchmen. Chris Hearns, $2.99. Eli Manning. Corey Coleman, nice insert at 99. Rookie Rising. Julio Jones. 349, Braxton Miller. All right, 2 boxes down. Last box. Good luck on this last one. Tony Romo. And next one, Zeke jersey. There we go, baby. Let's get those Zekes a-flowing. Nice Zeke jersey. And that's out of 79. Number 22, damn near the jersey number as well. Nice looking card. LT. Steve Young. Jerry Rice. Another Pats insert. That's 3 Pats inserts for you. Towski that time. $523 straight extra points made. That's insane. I did not know that. That's a lot in a row. And we got Vontae Davis, Watchman on $2.99. Redemption of Alex Collins again. Hot rookie material signatures helmet. I know they had helmet cards here. Out of 18, Alex Collins again. Seahawks striking again. That's going to be a thick one. Bradshaw. And Mark Sanchez. Alright, still one more auto. Warren Sapp. Earl Campbell, Watchman. Richard Sherman. Jacoby Brissett. Missed the whole year. Nice Tony Dorsett out of 99. 99 out of 99. Eddie Lacy, David Johnson out of 349. Kenneth Dixon. Paul Warfield, Lofton, Falk, Dan Faust, Tim Brown. Hyde Hopkins, Bosa at $2.99, rookie rising. And nice Joey Bosa. Bolts out of 199. Andrew Luck and John Brown, last pack, and then we'll do our triple. And then we got Impeccable and Flawless coming up. Kurt Warner, Gale Sayers, Rookie Rising, Hunter Henry, Trapper, and Phil Simms. All right, to do a recap on our main hits. Joey Bosa, RPA out of 199. Alex Collins, hot rookie material, signatures helmet, card number 18, Alex Collins, Seahawks. Zeke jersey, and Zeke was out of 79. Corey Coleman out of 79. Hunter Henry, RPA. RPS, rookie auto swatch, that'll be another nice one. Tom Brady relic, 49. And Boyd. All right. And our tripler. Bosa, Michael Thomas, Cardell Jones. 1. And a 3 for 4. It's in the hands of the randomizer now. Bills, Saints, Bolts, 4 times. Once, twice, 3, and 4. And that'll go to the Saints. Alright guys, thanks for joining that one. I'll get this one on YouTube, and we'll see you in the next one.